Okay, second game for tonight po tayo. Welcome po muli po tayo sa ating second game basketball action. Friday night, game night tonight po tayo between Los Hermanos. Okay, white po sila ngayon, clad in white and green combination. Versus, syempre, ang CAS. Ang tropa nila Romel po, clad po in golden brown. Golden brown combination po tayo, sir. Golden brown, and congrats po kanina po is contact center po for winning the ball game. Okay, and this is your league po, the Flying League. Aviation Friendly League po yan, the Flying League. This brought to by Team LBC, Hari ng Padala.
Salamat ng
O sige, Hari ng Padala. And of course, ito po ang SPB Pilipinas, namamahala po ng larong ito. And this is your game now between CAS and Contact Center. CAS clad in golden brown versus Los Hermanos po clad in white and green combination. Okay, first quarter is about to start right now. Si Serrano, mamaya na maglalaro yan. Wala yung ibang mga player nila, lumilipad yata. Wala si Canton, wala si si Tan, lumilipad yata sila. Okay, Los Hermanos in white and green combination. Sa kabila na po is CAS po is Golden Boys, the Golden Brown Boys. Parang pinrito, Golden Brown. Ay ma'am, upo po. Okay, first quarter coming up. And it's won by, of course, CAS. 2 points kagad ang pinasok. CAS 2 points kagad ang binanatan ng CAS. Hop! Ano nangyari?
Balik na 1 point nila. Pasok po lang yun. Pasok po yun. 2 point.
Baliktad.
Dito po posisyon natin.
Dapat po on the right po is Team Los Hermanos. On the left po dapat is Team CAS. Kaya okay. Pero counted pa rin daw sabi ng referee. Okay, 2-0 Beans. Malakas. Okay, number 5. Pops up. No good. Recovery. Okay, good recovery. Low-key. Against Omas. Buns. Number 34, binali pa. Nice recovery pero hindi po umabot. Napot kay number 19 ng bola. Palpal pero sumabit si 44. 44 sumabit. Sumabit si number 44. Parang fix po yan. 44 formula plus. Okay, Omas shooting for 2. Number 5, first shot. Wala. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo.
1 point.
Okay, pumasok din. 1 point kay Umas. Umas po, 1 point. (28) Aranez. 24 again. No good. Okay, when baseline na po siya. Tumapak na po sa baseline. Balik muli po tayo sa CAS ang bola. CAS looking to strength to improve further the lead. Sir.
Still number
28 po tayo. 28. JP. Nakulusot. No good. Ito.
Natuloy na. Nakako ng sabaw.
Lost the ball. Balik po tayo now. Los Hermanos umatake. 44 umatake. Si Beans. No good. Nalusot sindutan. Umas, third road, counter steal made. Pops up. No good. Naku, number 5. One more time. 10 to shoot. Dito mamang sa ring. Number 5. Driving in. Strong. Balakas. Umas na ko yung bola. Baseball pass. Long pass. Ayun kay number 4. Number 4 driving in. Pops up. No good. 24 naka-rebound. 24 naka-rebound. Cass, the Golden Boys still on the lead. 3-0. Beans. Driving in. Number 5. Again. 44. Number 5. Pops up. Ayaw mo na nga. Number 5. Loki. 2 points sana. Pero lumabas. Number 19. Number 3. Gumaya. Pinasa kay number 3. Kay Gumaya muli. Gumaya. No good. Nako ni Loki yung bola. Loki. Malakas ang badog. 24. Wala pa rin. Loki naka-rebound. Loki. 28. Pops up. No good. Nakuha number 4. Baseball piece kay Umas. Sagantay mabasahan. Medyo mainit ang laro. And number 17. Pilipit. Kapos. Umas. Gumaya. For 3. Kapos. Ibanez. 2 points. Sa wakas, nakapuntos ang Hermanos. For the first time, Hermanos, medyo na-completo po sila. Medyo lumalim ang bench nila. Ang kasamang ganun pa rin. Consistent pa rin sa dami ng tao. 05 Umas. Number 3. Number 19. Gumaya. No good. Limang barong Muambay. Los Hermanos. Ang mga Hermanos po ang nanalo. Okay, may papashoutout po dito. Shoutout daw. Sino po siya? Shoutout kay Jurose Cariaga. Ipasok si Edison Pasi. Oh, Edison Pasi. Pumasok ka daw. Sabi nila. 44. No good. Stepping on the line. Balik muli po sa Cass ang bola. Mark Christian. Gumaya again. No good. One more time. 17. Pops up. No good pa rin. Rebound battle won by number 4. Wala pa rin. Tapping. Wala pa rin. Number 4. Wala pa rin. One time. 2 points. Change 5 po tayo yun. Change 5. Wara. Okay, si number, okay, papal kay si Roldan, si 24, si 53, number 10, and si number 2. Kabila naman po si number 10, number 29, number 26, number 13, at yung huli po, sino? White ball. At si number, walang number. Okay, Los Hermanos ball, 5-2. Beans. Pauni yata. Si Pauni. Pauni yan, si Pauni. Lost the ball, Scapol. Wala pa rin. Nako, number 2 bola. Number 2. Roldan. Si Roldan. 24. 2 points, 24. 24. Bautista.
Number 13, pass over 26. Balik sa number 13.
13. Driving. Number 10. Pops up. No good. Serrano. Naka-rebound. Mali pinasahan nga lang. 53. No good. Kapos. 26. Pops up. Set shot. 2 points. 2 points points lang. Serrano medyo malamig pa. And now si number 13. Roldan, number 10, rather, 53, Serrano.
53.
And number 2, pops up si Lefty. Pasok ang bola kay Lefty.
Number 2.
Pasok ang bola kay Lefty. Yan po si Aris. Aris the Lefty, pasok. Number 13. Number 13. Samonte. Samonte driving in. Samonte nalusutan. Foul! Bautista called for the foul.
Number 4.
24 Bautista, foul. 26 for the inbound ng mga Hermanos. Foul nga. Nakuha ang ball ni Roldan. Baseball pass kay Bautista. 2-on-1 situation. Number 10, 2 points.
Number 10 for 2 points. 11 more.
James Ludes is watching also. Salamat po, sir. Sige po, sige po, sige po.
Number 10 ng white. Anak na makasabi kay number 8.
Pauni.
Number 8 sa'yo.
Pauni, driving in.
Sabi kay number 13.
13, driving, side step. Walang pilasahan.
Kulang sa yung start.
Okay, 2 minutes 35 remaining.
Case mo na.
Change ball po. Okay, overruled po yung tawag. White ball. Call overruled po. Call overruled. White ball pala. Driving in now. Again.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot. Eto na siya. Driving in. Duko sa ilalim. Pasok.
2 points for number 26.
Number 56. 24. Bautista. Palpal. Paunin ako yung bola.
Number 13.
Number 13. 13. Number 13. 13. Floater shot. No good. Rebound di Serrano. Serrano. Rebound di Serrano.
Number 53.
Serrano. Wala mo na raw. And Aris. No good. Bautista. And one play pump ginawa ni Bautista. Iyan. Dami nyo ngayon ah. Dami nyo.
56 foul was counted.
Again. Okay, Bautista, bonus free throw coming up at 1 minute 31 seconds remaining sa first quarter action. Bautista, pops up, pasok ang bola. Okay, don't look now. The score is 14-6. Lamang na po ng 8 ang Team Cas. Team Cas looking to further improve their standing to win number 4. Los Hermanos looking still for the first win. Benji, 3-second violation. Mukhang naupo. Naupo masyado. Bautista number 3. 3 points, Bautista. Number 24, 3 points. Now, 17-6. Lamang na po ng 11 ang Team Cas, the Golden Boys.
Number 8, nakahanap ng matasabi kayo sa gitna ni number 26, balik ni number 13. 14 shot up. 10 to shoot. 5. Kinaliwa.
Tapos, 2 points, 26.
2 points, number 26.
26, 2 points. Good ball, good ball, good ball. Walang tawag. Bautista.
10 seconds to shoot.
Nakuha ng Los Hermanos ang bola.
5 seconds to play.
Pauni. 2 points. Number 13. Basket game.
O yun, 2 points.
Status ng battery. Battery status on. 7% pa naman. Kaya pa yan. Ganyan. Okay. Balik tayo. You're watching right now Cas versus Los Hermanos. And after this po is of course the defending champion Airport United versus In-Flights. Airport United, In-Flights, magandang daan po kayo. Second quarter na po. Announcement lang po. Okay, back to the bogey. Muli po tayo yun. Cas versus Los Hermanos. Cas and Los Hermanos, second quarter start. Okay, number 34, pumasok na din po. Number 3, number 5, number 16, and si number 4, Lumawag. Nandiyan din po. Sa kabila na po, yan si Ian, pumasok na rin. Si number 5, number 24, number 31, and to complete their fold, the game now is number 28. Ian, inbounding. Gitna daw po. Ian for the inbound to number 5. Again to Ian, kay Loki ng kay Loki. Loki again. Loki. JP, wala. Eh, nako ng 34. Omas driving. Nawala ang bola. Number 5. Driving in. Number 5. Loki. 28. Pops up. No good. Rebound to number 4. Umas mag-isa. 2 points, Umas.
19-19.
Umas, 2 points. 9 minutes, 17 remaining. 23. Driving in. Number 9, pops up. No good. Rebound to number 3. To number Gumaya. Number 19. Gamaya. 34. Lumawag for 3. Ayaw muna niya. No good. Rebound battle 1 by number 31. Los Hermanos. 3-14. Okay, muntik na. Taklusot. Kapos. Foul. Number 4. Foul. Number 4. Number 5, shooting for 2. Handog po ito ng Thread and Needles. And of course, ang Team LBC, hari ng padala. Wala. Second shot, Loki. Pops up. Wala pa rin. Gamaya, hunting the ball. Gamaya, number 3, Mark Christian. Gamaya for 3. No good. Ibanez to Ian. Ian, may tayo ng bola. Ian. Wala. Sala. Palpal. Nice read. Nice D. Aranez, sagsaging. And one play made ang ginawa ni Aranez. Plus 1 pa yan. 19-12, 5-7 na lang po kalamangan from the height of 12. Aranez, 28 for the bonus free throw. Pops up. Okay, basket completed. 3-point play completed. Number 3. Don't look now. It's a 6-point lead na lang po ang been posted na by Cas. Gamaya. Number 4. Pops up. No good. Rebound para by JP. Help ball situation. Same ball.
Lipat ko lang po yung oras. Ang posisyon.
Okay, 34. Number 3, pops up. Kapos. Okay, again, chancing for Los Hermanos to further trim down the lead. 19-13 at 7-14 remaining sa second quarter action.
20 yung round bigyan niya ng 20.
Ian, walang inabot. 5, Loki for 3. No good. JP, inabol. JP. Foul! Sabi ng ref, Foul daw, foul.
Number 3 foul.
JP will go for the line, shooting for 2.
First personal foul.
JP per shot. Wala. Second throw, jumper straight for kay JP. Okay, mag-alala. Second free throw, pasok. Okay, don't look now. 5 na lang po kalamangan ng Cavs. At 6 minutes 35 remaining. 34. Number 19, Gamay for 3. Bang! Using the glass.
Number 19 for 3 points.
Number 19 using the glass. Ian. Lost the ball. Umas. No, wala ang pitang ng bola. Ang bola. Si Ian. Number 3, palpal. Wala naman. Walang pinasaan naman si Umas. Walang pinasaan si Umas. Okay, balik muli po sa puti ang bola.
Bola meron sa white.
Scott, good evening po si Scott. Ano si Demi? Good evening po sa'yo. Lost the ball, Gamaya stole the ball. Umas! 2 points, Umas. Okay, nakabawi si Umas. Binawi ni Umas ang laro. Cass still leading, 10 points na naman. Cass, number 28, driving in. Wala, kapos. Nakuha, 31. Kapos pa rin. Palpal, pero may foul. Sumabit. May sabit.
Number 3.
Sumabit din ako. Okay, JP again for the line.
Unang tira, 1.4.
First shot ni JP, pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. JP, second throw. Just to trim the lead into 8 points. Nope. And Nakuanino.
Change 5 na po tayo.
Okay, change 5. Second 5 po, tinatawag po, second 5. Sino po sila? Ayaw na? O si ayaw na pala.
That's the number game.
Okay, second 5 sa Los Hermanos, number 10, 77, 7, 29 at si number 44. Sa kabila naman si 17, 41, si Bautista, si Roldan at si number 17 nga. At si Aris, number 2.
Sa ilalim, taas na 24.
Malalim. Pero 2 points. Basket number 24, pumasok. David Zoro is watching also. Thank you po, sir. 7 for 3. Kapos. Roldan, number 1. Roldan Lugano. 41. No good. Rebound. 1 by number 29. 29. Nagbunababa ng bola. Pasi. 77. 44. Pasi. 44. Last touch by number 17. Well, same ball po tayo.
12 shot clocks remaining. 12 shot clocks remaining.
12 seconds remaining. Shot clock. 77 for the inbound. 77. Number 44. 44 driving in. Wala ang bola. Kick pass na sa 77. 77 naman. 77. 77 pops up. No good. Bautista naman. Bautista. Nakuha. no good.
Tapos, may mga number 24.
Roldan. Nakalusot. Roldan. 41, 2 points, 41. 41, 2 points. 28-15 po score po natin ngayon. 77. Priscilla, number 10. Pasi, number 77.
44.
Number 44.
14 Siyang.
Number 10. Yes, sirree, number 10. Roldan, setting up the pace.
Sir, no, sir.
Lost the ball. Balik muli po sa Hermanos ang bola. Los Hermanos ball and timeout called by the Hermanos. This game is brought to you by the following sponsors: Thread the Needles Tailoring or Uniforms by Thread the Needles, and also Team LBC Hiring ng Padala. This is also part of by Team SBB Pilipinas for keeping the game in its neat and ordinary fashion. And you're watching ito Team Cas and Los Hermanos, and current next po is Airport United and In Flights. Balik muli po tayo sa laro po na Hermanos at Cas. Okay, white ball daw tayo ngayon. Inbounding is white ball. The score is 28-17. Siyam na lang po ang labing isa po ang kalamangan po ng Cas.
44. Pwede po lang number 44.
Number 10, malakas. 29, binomba. Palpal. Isa pa rin, nakwa. And white ball. Stepping on the line. Stepping on the line.
6 seconds to shoot. Shot clock. 6 seconds.
6 seconds remaining.
6 seconds to shoot. Shot clock.
Pops number 3. Bang! Yung pala kinakailangan eh. Hindi nila ginagawa eh. Gawin nyo dapat yun.
20-20.
Okay, laman po ng 8. Laman ng
20-28. Score.
8.
Pass number 24. 24 na. Pass number 29. Balik na number 2.
Aris.
Number 2 ay naganap na pasahan. 40 shot clock.
Bang! Binawi ka agad yung number 41.
Number 41.
Flight number 41. Binawi ka agad niya ang tira. Bronze. Ano mo daw, pwesto muna, sabi ng coach. And pops up. Wala. Hop! May foul. 44 called for the foul.
Second personal foul. First team foul.
Okay, Roldan.
Sa corner si
Bautista.
24. Uy.
Bautista, thinking 3, ayaw niya.
Sinapit.
Bautista, lost the ball.
Ang galing na limit number 29. Pass number 77. 77. Sa ilalim nakita si 44.
Hoy! Foul. Yun ang delikado ton, yung sahod.
Number 17.
Dahil pag yung binantay mo, biglang loko-loko yung player, gano'n.
First personal foul.
Wala kang dun. Bronze. 77 again. Kapos! Patay ang butiki. Patay ang butiki. Ayun na.
1 minute and 6 seconds.
Roldan again. Roldan.
14 to shoot.
Again, number 2. Number 2, driving in. Aris. Wala. 24, rebound. Wala rin.
Number 7 pass number 44. 44. 25 na. 14 to shoot.
7 December 3. No good. Rebound battle won by number 41.
29 seconds. Number 1. Uy, nabitawan. Naiwawan number 10 of White. Last position.
Okay, 80 seconds. Last shot, Pasi.
48. 10.
Pasi Cassie. 24, Bruns. Pops up, Kapos. Roldan, wala na yan. Okay. Okay, that's it. Third quarter action coming up. The score is 30-20. Lamang po ang cast ng 10. Yeah.
Ano ba? Second quarter na pala?
Ingat po kayo. May laro siya? Ingat ha. Saan laro? Sino ang official to? Ano? Si Jamal? Po kayo sa akin. Okay, halftime po tayo. Halftime. Good luck po sa anak nyo.
For the third period, basketball game.
May commercial pa, mami na. May commercial pa. Joke lang. Okay, third quarter action start. Calling in flight and Airport United. Pumunta na po kayo dito. Third quarter na po. Beijing, in-flights and of course, Airport United. Pumunta na po kayo dito. Third quarter na po. Maraming salamat. And back to the ball game. Cas. Okay, si Gamayaw. Gamaya rather. Sorry. Gamaya pala. Sorry. Gamaya. Okay, Bati ka muna. Gamaya, number 19. Nandiyan naman din si number 15. Yung pamatay sunog nila, nandiyan din pala. And sa kabila si number 24. Number 4, nandiyan din. At si number 10. Sa kabila sa Rosimaso, number 13, number 31, 28, 24, and number 5.
Number 15. Number
Nice one, pero hindi pa rin.
Number 20.
2 points. 2 points, hermanos. Okay, Sir Nelson is watching also. Good din po si Sir. Gamaya, no good. JP nakaribang, baseball pitch kagad, lead pass. 28. Naku, sayang. Sayang, rally sana. And one playmate. Number 34, basket count. Number 34, shooting for the bonus free throw. Nelson Sila is watching also. Gandang po siya, Sir Nelson. Number 34, shooting for the bonus free throw. Number 34, bonus free throw. And it's no good. Rebound, the number 5. Number 28. 32-22, 10 na naman ang kalamangan ng Cas. Loki for 3. Malakas. 28 pa, isa pa daw. 28. Pinasa kay Loki. 31. And number 13. Benji sa ilalim. Fade away shot. Yes, sirree. Marami pang ganun kinakailangan ng Los Hermanos.
Number
15. Pops up. Kapos. JP naka-rebound. Si Rano muna yata ang nagtek-tek ng helm ngayon. Siya muna yata nag-coach ngayon para sa Cas. Wala si Coach Roy.
Number 5. Working to shoot. Sa ilalim.
2 points. Back to back. Okay, timeout po ngayon ang Team Cas. Mukhang nakakamoy sila ng dugo ngayon, ang Los Hermanos. 32-26, don't look na at 6-point lead na lang po ng Team Cas. Wala yung coach nila, yung anak niya kasi meron palang laro din, Juniors League sa Education City. Okay, back to the ball game ulit po tayo ngayon. Okay, balik muli po tayo sa laro. Number 15. Number 34. Balik kay number 15. Yan si Batang Spartan.
Gumugulong pa rin ang bola. Bigay sa kanila.
Number 19, Gamaya. Number 4. 2 points kagad. Okay, panggising lang yun. Panggising ginawa ni number 4. Okay, Benji. Benji 13.
13 to number 5.
Loki, Benji. Benji again, Benji. Benji. Number 31 to Benji. Benji. JP. Malakas. Nandun si number 4 kagad, naka-rebound. Number 4, dictating the pace. Number 4. Number 4. Number 4. Walang pinasahan si number 4. Walang pinasahan. Balik muli po sa Hermanos ang bola. Hermanos 13. Dumagdag nagbababa. Benji again. Aranyes, binabatay ng big man nila. And nakuha ni number 15. 15! 2 points kagad. Nakuha ni 15 ang bola. Okay, balik muli po sa 10 kalamangan. Back-to-back field goals. Kagad ang ginawa after the timeout ng Cass. Benji. Lost the ball again. Still completed. And again, kay number 15. 2 points again. Time out, Hermanos. Magandang output kagad po ang ginawa po ng Cass after the timeout. A 6-0 run ang niregister kagad nila sa kanilang opensa. Timeout ngayon po ang Hermanos. At 5 minutes 40 remaining, third quarter action. This game is sponsored by the following sponsors. Team LBC Hari ng Padala at of course, Thread and Needles. This is your third season Aviation Friendly League, Dabas Flying League. And part of by Team SBB Pilipinas, SBB Doha to maintain the integrity and orderly fashion of this game.
Palitan na po yan.
Okay, wala na po. Lahat po kasi nakapasok na. Kaya shuffle na po tayo. Shuffle na.
5 minutes and 41 seconds for the third quarter.
5 minutes 41 remaining. The score is 38-26. JP to Benji. Benji
Gulong namin orasan.
to number 10. Number 10. Benji.
Bigay na number 30 to 26.
26. Benji. Number 10. Pops up. Tapos. Rebound battle won by Gamaya. Gamaya. 15 again. Wala. Nako ni JP ang bola. Walang pinasahan. Gamaya. Binati pa. Wala pa rin.
Number 30.
Benji. Driving in. Benji. Lost the ball. Foul.
Foul.
Body foul. Or blocking foul. Okay, number 10. Number 10. Number 50, 13, Benji. Si Benji, si number 10 naman. Number 10. Pops up. No good. Baseball pass kay number 15. Okay, 2 points again. An 8-0 blast already been registered by Team Cass. Wala pa rin. 26. Number 29. Number 10. Yun, nakapasok din. Sa wakas, nakapuntos din ang Hermanos. 8-0. 8-2 ang blast po ngayon.
Number 15.
Lost the ball. Balik po rin po sa tasang bola. Okay. Okay, change substitution mo tayo. Okay, si Bautista, si Serrano, si number 3, si Umbas, at si number 41.
Wala ba pinigyan sa start?
15. 41 pops up. No good. Rebound battle won by Bautista. Foul! Kagad ang ginamit nila.
Jersey number White number 29 foul.
Number 29 called for the foul.
First personal foul.
Bautista
number
shooting for
29.
2. Andog po ito ng Threading Needles and Team LBC, hari ng padala.
Sablay number 24.
Second shot, Bautista, jumpers ready, 40-28. A 12-point lead still, enjoyed by Cass. Bautista, pasok.
41.
7, 26, Ian, 23, Hermanos, trailing.
So
Number 10, Ian,
Pass to number 13.
29, lost the ball. Up.
White jersey number 29.
29, pushing foul committed. Serrano for the inbound.
So number 05.
0-5.
Number
3,
3.
Serrano, thinking 3. Pasa muna kay Umas. Ayun, walang pinasahan. White ball. Hermanos ball. 2 minutes, 57 remaining. Third quarter action. Calling Airport United and Incline. Third quarter, magtatapos na po. Pumunta na po kayo dito. Maraming salamat po.
Ayan na naman.
Barks.
Dribble si number 29. Nahanap ng matasa.
Ian, kick ball. Sayang. Nice D by Serrano. Serrano to number 3.
Number 3 may control na po.
Number 3.
Dribble si number 3.
Number 5. Up. Number 5 again. Umas, hounded. 10 seconds. 41. Bautista, pinol pa. Nice break. Nice break by Cass.
Number 10.
Bautista shooting for 2. Bautista, 24, shooting for 2. Pops up.
Unang tira.
Wala. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo.
41-28 po ang ating score. For last 20.
Bautista, second throw. Pasok.
1.52.
Okay, 1 minute 55 remaining, third quarter action.
Number 26.
26. Gatos. 26.
14 shot.
Pops up. No good. Bautista naka-rebound. Bautista. Marangkada. Ano ginawa niya? Oy, teka lang. Traveling violation. Nakakagulat yung ginawa ni Bautista. Grabe.
Manatili po ang bulan sa white number 29.
Barks.
29 sa malaksak. Second and 26. Ilapit ang alusay.
No good, one time. Oh. 41 called for foul.
Jersey number 41 foul.
Call
Substitution.
foul on 41. 77 in, 7 out. Number 26 shooting for 2. 26 Samonte shooting for 2. Pops up. Wala. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throws, jumpers ready. Pops up. Kapos. Okay, Bautista, binababa na yung bola. Serrano, number 3. Serrano almost dunked the ball. Bautista, thinking 3. No good. Number 5, Umas. 2 points, Umas. 43 seconds remaining. Third quarter action. Ian. 23, driving in.
23 lang.
Iyang floater shot, wala pa rin.
Yun lang. May natira.
Number 5, Umas. And the sky play to Serrano.
46. Tayo mga kapatid. 2 points by number 53. Last position number 9, 46.
77. 26, Samonte. Samonte, 26. 23, 29, 2 points.
Nayangan ang Bula Basketball 2 points 30.
1 second remaining and wala na.
And the third period. 30-46.
Third quarter, Kalas 40-36, a 16-point lead being enjoyed by Cass and Los Hermanos. Okay, you're watching right now the game between Cass and Los Hermanos. And coming up next po is the game between Airport United and In-Flights. Calling Airport United In-Flights, nasa na po kayo? Back to the ball game po, Cass and Los Hermanos.
Pinamalas ngayon ang white. Umiilag ang ring pag-itira. Ay, tapos sir, nakita naman tayo.
Okay, third quarter action about to start and it's starting right now.
Sir, nakita naman tayo. Start naman tayo for the final period.
Okay, final period. Final quarter.
May dalawang time out na po kayo. Bawat ring. Sa dalawang time out na po kayo. Bakit hindi natin pag-usapan yan? Gusto nyo maging tatlo.
Cass for the inbound. Serrano.
Dito po tayo, sir. Dito po tayo. Posisyonado tayo.
Correction po, Los Hermanos for the inbound. Sige po, sir. Loki for the inbound. Thank you po. Loki to Samonte. Samonte. Samonte to number 13.
Number 10.
Driving in.
Number 10 ngayon.
Benji.
May hawak ng bola.
24, JP. Pops up. No good.
Talagang sanado. Telepon. Uy!
Number 4. Number 4. 2 points, number 4.
Basketball. 2 points number 7.
2 points, number 4.
14-30. 18 na po.
Los Hermanos still finding the range. Pops up for 3. No good. Rebound battle won by number 41. Now to number 2, Aris. Nakuha ang bola. Nakuha ng bola. Okay, 26. 2 points. 2 points, number 26. Balik muli po tayo sa laro natin. 9 minutes na lang. 9 minutes remaining. 9 minutes remaining. Nandiyan po si Sir Philip. Okay. 24 na ipit. Foul. May nakuha ng
Number 26. Substitution. Number 26 foul.
Okay, 26 called for the foul. Si Fauni pumasok muna para kay Samonte. At kay number 44 naman, pumasok din para kay Benji. Serrano for the inbound. 24, Bautista. Bautista, 24. Serrano, fadeaway shot. No good. Wala na.
Shot clock violation. Good defense ang pinakita ng mga white. Samantala ngayon sinupurin by control na mula. Bigay nila 4-24. Umatake sa akin.
2 points.
For number 24. Easily up for number 24.
Okay, number 53, Serrano, shake and pick. Playing strong. 2 points ang binanatan ni Serrano. 2 points kagad ang binanatan niya.
Tayo. Parang kanila po ang mga start. Hahabol pa rin ang mga white. Number 28. May control na mula. Alas 4-0-4. Naghanap na ng pasahan. Bigay number 8. Number 8 ngayon na tirasan. Ay, pasa. Nakasunod ito eh. Palay naman nun. Basketball 2 points number 20. 36-15.
Okay, back to the ball tayo.
Nice hit.
Umatake naman. Kapos! Mali!
Kakakaw na salang.
7 minutes 30 remaining. Serrano, Bautista for 3. No good. Serrano, power rebound. Wala pa rin. Bautista, kick out muna kay Bautista. Bautista, driving. And one play made.
Number 5.
Bautista shooting for 2 for the bonus free throw. The score is 52-36. A 16-point lead. Supply pa rin po for number 4. Number 4. Leaning shot, no good. One more time, wala pa rin. Bautista. Triple team. Kick pass kay number 4. Wala pa rin. Okay, kay Pauli. Pauli. Okay, 2 points, Pauli. Opulencia. Bang! Bautista. Bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. 44, Loki. 44, nawala, mali pinasahan. NC, number 4 naman, number 4, going, gone. Time out! Los Hermanos go for the timeout, a 19-point lead. Being posted. Tama, 19-point lead. 19-point lead being posted by Team Cash. Looking for win number 4. Ang Team Cash, ari ko po.
Samantala sa bar, dalawa po ang inyong timeout.
Okay, back to the ball game. 6 minutes 24 seconds remaining. 19-point lead po ang kalamangan ng Team Cash.
6 minutes na doon na ball sa sa titira sa ating fourth quarter. Samantala ang mga white. 30-57 po ang ating score.
You're watching right now Team Cash versus Los Hermanos. Coming up next po is
Mula pa rin sa Los Hermanos na hawak. Ay, may nawak ng kulay.
Coming up next po is Inflights and Airport United. Okay, balik po tayo. Los Hermanos and Loki for 3. No good. Benji, sa ilalim. 2 points, Benji.
40-57. Naku, 17 na lang. Kailangan ulit. 17 na lang po.
Foul! 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 Foul, Benji.
Team foul. First personal foul.
19. Gamaya. Foul again. Blocking foul.
26 ng white. Laking foul. Warning for penalty and third personal foul.
Okay, ano muna? Iba muna ito mag-inbound. Hop, hop, hop. Kickball violation. Kickball violation. Number 10 for the inbound. Ay, sorry, number 26 for the inbound rather. Number 5 si Loki. Kickball din. Nagiging football na po ang basketball, mga kababayan. Okay, Benji, Loki. Loki, pops up, no good. JP, sa ilalim, balakas. Dalawa sila. Oh, teka lang. Huli ka. Huli ka, sabi ng referee, huli. Pasimple ka, ha? Huli. Number 04, Pukov for the push. Loki. Loki again for 3. No good. Nice defense. Again, counter defense again. 34. Lost the ball. Walang pinasahan.
Tapos ang sabaw ng bola.
5 minutes, 6 remaining. Third, fourth quarter action.
Calling
Calling Los Hermanos, calling in flights, and Airport United. Nasa na kayo? Foul!
Foul. Number 19 guard.
2 shots awarded kay JP.
4 for free throw line.
Per shot. No good.
Kailangan mo na maipasok mo na pa.
Second free throw, jumpers ready tayo. Yeah.
Magano tayo sir.
Second free throw, jumpers ready. Wala pa rin. Rebound, number 434. Number 41. Number 19. Number 19. Foul. Hand check.
Number 13.
Number 13. Call for a hand check.
Penalty po tayo.
Penalty situation. Los Hermanos.
Penalty situation na po. Penalty situation.
Number 19. Shooting for 2.
Number 9 po. Follows right go for penalty.
Number 19 shooting for 2. Pops up. No good. Ringer. Niluwa. Ayaw niya. Niluwa. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Gamaya.
Second free throw.
Second throw. Jumpers ready. No good pareho. Rebound ng Hermanos. Hermanos still trailing behind by 17 points. Benji for 3. No good. Rebound battle won by Cass. Okay, Gamaya. Gamaya still. No good.
Okay sir.
Benji, mag-isa. 2 points, Benji.
2 points for 57.
Team set.
Nakakuha kayo ng points.
Up. Foul. Number 10. Okay, timeout muna. Timeout ang Los Hermanos. Okay, you're watching right now the game between Los Hermanos and Cass. And come up next po is, of course, Airport United versus In-Flights. Ito po ang, this game is provided by SBB Pilipinas and also our main sponsors, Team LBC, Hari ng Padala, and Fred Needles. Ito po ang third season po ng Aviation Trade League, dubbed as the Flying League. Back to the ball game at 3 minutes 38 remaining. White ball. White ball still, Pasi, 77. Pasi to Ian. Ian. Pasi. Number 8, Pauni, 7, pwede with shot, no good. Nothing. Omas. Pops up, no good. Pasi, 7. Hop! Si Daisy. Traveling violation. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. 1 minute 58 remaining. Number 3. Number 10. Omas. Bang! 77, 23, Ian. Pops up. No good. Pauni. Malakas. Rebound. Binomba. Nawala pa. Number 10, Lena. Lena for 3. No good.
Number 23, 23. Nagpapadali sa 23, kailangan yan.
Ian, malakas!
Pumusok ang ring, sir. Gumagalaw. Kita ko yung ring. Gumagalaw. Wala. Manuel Cuevas. Higgins, 3. Wala po na for...
No good. Ian. 2 points, Ian.
2 points.
53 seconds remaining. Okay, safety basket na po tayo. 15 points po, kalabangan. Okay, ano, safety basket na po tayo. Safety basket na. Wala pa rin. Okay, 2 points. 38 seconds remaining.
36 seconds.
77. Okay, let go. 2 points. 31 seconds remaining.
Last position na po tayo. Last 16 seconds.
Bart.
14 seconds.
Bart.
Easy na lang po tayo.
Wala. 77. 2 points. Kapala pa rin. 2 points. Okay. 6 seconds remaining. Okay, that's it. I believe so. Okay, buso pa yata, no? Okay. Umas. Okay, that's it. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Winning the ball game at
Nananalo.
13 points.
Ating kapangaling bench.
Ang pass.
Iba. Sino magbigay ng 20?
Okay po.
Nice game.
Final score is 61-58. 48 rather. Team Cas nanalo. Tama doon. Ay mo sa ano, sa camera ha. Okay, group photo po tayo. Congratulations for winning the game. Cas 6148. Sir, sige po sir. Sige muna po. 6148 po tayo. 6148 Team Cas for winning the game. Congratulations. Okay, thank you po. Number 4. Win number 4. And sino po? Sino? Sino ang yaalay sa akin para ma-interview? Sino? Number 5, Umas.
Congratulations for your player.
Okay, si Umas. Umas, halika rito. Sisikat ka lang sa akin. Doon lang. Isama mo yung mga yung team mo doon para bakal nyo. Ayan. Okay, Umas, dito tayo. Okay, Umas, congratulations for winning the ball game. Parang kayong well-oiled machine po sa gabing ito. Parang lahat, gumagana lahat. Ano masasabi niyo po sa nilaro niyo po ngayon?
Maganda yung nilaro namin ngayon, sir, kasi
Lakas.
yung effort ng team.
Okay.
Yung teamwork. Kahit wala kaming coach, pero nakaya na.
Okay, good.
Dinaanan namin sa ano.
Okay, win number 4 na po tayo, Mr. Umas. Ano masasabi niyo? Di pa dito po. Sige lang, di pa. 2 minutes to, ano ko ba? Win number 4 na po tayo, sir. Ano pa maasa namin sa Team Cas after sa mga remaining games niyo po?
Mga sasunod na game namin, sir, pag-iihan to namin. More practice pa.
More practice pa ng gusto niya. Okay, sir. 1 minute. Shoutout. Sige po. Supporters, loved ones.
Sige po, kasama ko sa bahay, sana magtapon ng basura para dito lang nakawit. Yun lang po.
Yun lang. Ano pa? 1 minute yun, sir. 1 minute yan. Okay, sige. Okay, thank you po, Sir Umas. Okay, thank you. Ito po ang Team Cas po. Until now, wala pa silang talo. Malinis pa rin sila. Okay, sige. Kaway na lang po kasi bago ko i-cut to. Okay. Congrats for Team Cas for winning the game. 61-48 po. And see you po again po sa next game po muli po. Maraming salamat sa inyo and God bless. Kaway, last kaway. Kaway po. Okay. Ayaw na. Ayaw na kumuway na. O, si pagod na yata. Okay, thank you po. 3. O, sige, shoutout. O, si ano? Number 4. Musala. Ano? Dodong. O, sige, Dodong daw. Shoutout kay Dodong. Okay, thank you po. 3, 2, 1.